Good morning, everybody. I'm going to take you along today on another vlog style what I eat in a day video. Today is day 2 of the exercise challenge, so I'm going to try to get that in this morning. We kind of have a busy day. It is actually Renee's birthday today. She is turning 8 years old. So we're gonna have some fun festivities for that. Not like a big party or anything, but we have our homeschool hike this morning. So we're gonna go to that, and excitingly, Autumn is gonna come with us. For Renee's birthday, she's gonna come along on the homeschool hike with us. She's 18, so she doesn't usually come. She has her own life, you know, that things she's doing. But she's gonna come along with us. We might go to like a splash pad after that. It's been pretty warm the last few days, so that'll be fun to cool off after the hike. And then Renee's favorite restaurant is Chipotle, so we will probably go there for lunch, for a special birthday lunch. So those are like the exciting things. I had this little man crawl into my bed at about 4 a.m. last night because he fell out of bed. He fell out of his bed, and so he needed to come snuggle with Mom, which was fine with me. So anyways, I got to get him up, get him ready to go. But before that, I'm going to try to get my workout in. So yesterday's workout, oh my gosh, so intense. A lot of like cardio HIIT training type, burpees and jumping squats and jumping lunges and stuff like that. I am so sore. Like walking down the stairs, I feel like I'm 90 years old. But today it looks like they're kind of alternating between that kind of a workout, like more of the cardio HIIT, and then today is going to be more of just weights. So that'll be good, and some upper body, because yesterday was a lot of lower body, although burpees are full body. So my arms are already sore, but I'm gonna try to get this in. It's a lot of like rows and deadlifts and things like that. So that is the plan. I'm gonna try to do that and get out the door and get to the hike on time, and then just have our fun day with our birthday girl. All right, I got that done. I did get a good workout, but I feel so much stronger with the weights than I do with the cardio and the HIIT. So it felt good, felt like I actually could do something rather than like being a jellyfish like I was yesterday. I'm going to have another egg sandwich for breakfast this morning. Seems to be just my go-to breakfast these days. Scrambling up a couple of eggs, doing scrambled to make it a little less messy because I'll probably be eating this in the car, and I need to pull out some cheese. 1 ounce of cheese. There we go. Are you ready to go, Levi?
No.
No. I am also going to mix up my electrolytes to take with me, of course. Can't go out on a hot day like today without bringing electrolytes. I will probably actually mix this one up. It'll go in my bag for the actual hike, and then I will mix up another cup that will like be for the car. We're at the hike and we stopped for some coffee. Got an Americano with heavy cream. This nature playground is so cool. The kids love it. I survived the hike, although felt like my legs just would not work on any downhill portions, but I was able to make it. We are at the splash pad now. That is my order. Normally I get double meat, but this time I decided just to get half and half chicken and steak because, life hack, I brought carnivore crisps, and I'll use these instead of chips, so that'll get me the extra protein there. I also got a side of guacamole as a freebie because I had enough points. So good!
Whoa, that is so fast. My face is happy.
Renae, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Birthday fun?
Yeah.
Did you have fun in the water?
Yeah.
Yeah. We are back from our hike and from the splash pad, and Renae is hot and thirsty and a little bit hungry. And so what are you gonna have on your birthday?
Birthday cake keto chow.
Birthday cake keto chow. She's been looking forward to this. So she is going to have, I'll make you like a whole one, and then you can, drink a little bit and save the rest for later. Perfect.
Perfect.
Doesn't that look cool?
Yeah.
It is 6 p.m. and I am getting hungry for another meal, and I am keeping it incredibly simple. I am just having some chicken thigh that Autumn actually cooked up last night. Just has some spices on it. It's real simple, but it sounded good. And I had a lot of veggies with my lunch. That Chipotle bowl, when I put it into Carb Manager, was like 37 total carbs. So a little higher than normal, so I'm keeping it real simple, real low carb for my dinner. This is about 8 ounces of chicken thigh. I'm gonna eat this, and if I need something else, I will let you know. I could only get through about half of that chicken thigh, so I'm gonna put this away for another time, but I do want a little bit of something to end my meal, so I think I'm gonna get a Perfect Keto peanut butter chocolate chip bar. These are definitely my current favorite treat right now. I have been enjoying them quite a bit. Here are my calories and macros for the day. Got in 2,023 calories, 140.8 grams of protein. That was 28.5% of my calories. I got 134.2 grams of fat. That was 61.1% of my calories. So I was pretty close to a 1-to-1 ratio of fat to protein, which is pretty typical for me if I just don't count. That's kind of just where I naturally end up landing. Total carbs today got 51.6 and 36.3 net carbs. Definitely a little bit higher than I have been recently just because of those veggies from that Chipotle bowl. Here's my blood sugar for the day. It was very steady throughout the day, it seemed like. I'll go over my meals. You can see my daily average was 77, which is really good for me. My breakfast, I got a score of 10, started with a blood sugar of 89, ended with a blood sugar of 81, so that was beautiful. The peak was 89, so it didn't even raise my blood sugar at all. The lunch, the Chipotle bowl, started with a blood sugar of 79, peaked at 80, which is also beautiful. And then 2 hours later, I was back at 79. So that was perfect. I was happy to see that all of those carbs from the veggies and the guacamole and all that didn't spike my blood sugar at all. And the dinner, the chicken thigh with the Perfect Keto bar, another score of 10, started with a blood sugar of 72, peaked at 75, and then was at 74 2 hours later. So again, just a perfect blood sugar response. Thanks so much for hanging out on this birthday what I eat in a day video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll just see you again in the next one.